Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll explain what AD mode in Voltas AC means and also show you how to turn it off if you don't need it. Let's get started. What is AD mode? AD stands for auto diagnosis. When this mode is activated, your Voltas AC automatically checks for any technical issues or errors in the system. It's basically a self-diagnosis feature that helps detect problems early. Why does it turn on? Sometimes AD mode turns on automatically if the AC detects an error, or you might activate it accidentally by pressing the remote buttons. When this happens, the AC may stop normal cooling and display AD on the screen. How to remove AD mode? First, press the power button on your remote to switch off the AC. Wait for a few seconds, then turn the AC on again. In most cases, this will exit AD mode. If AD is still showing, try resetting the remote or simply unplug the AC from the power supply for 2 to 3 minutes, then reconnect it. This usually clears the mode. When to call a technician? If AD mode keeps appearing even after reset, it means your AC has detected a genuine issue, like a sensor or wiring problem. In that case, it's best to call the Voltas customer care service to get it checked. So that's what AD mode in Voltas AC is and how you can remove it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.